Astronomers have just found a crazy fast, super hot bubble of gas orbiting the Milky Way supermassive black hole at 30% the speed of light. That's about 56,000 miles per second or 90,000 kilometers per second. The orbit size of the bubble is about the size of Mercury's orbit, but while Mercury takes 88 days to orbit the Sun, this hot bubble only took about 70 minutes to circle around the Sagittarius A star. Sagittarius A star is about 4 million times the Sun's mass and stretches around 40 million miles, 60 million kilometers across. It lurks at the center of the Milky Way, about 27,000 light-years away from Earth, and its enormous gravitational pull keeps our Milky Way spinning. Our Earth, the solar system planets, the Sun, and about billions of stars all orbit around this supermassive black hole. In May of 2022, we got the first ever image of Sagittarius A star, thanks to the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration, which links a group of radio dishes around the world, acting as one giant telescope. For this recent discovery, astronomers used the ALMA radio telescope in Chile, which is one of the dishes comprising the Event Horizon Telescope. Scientists were puzzled when they detected this gas blob, but they didn't have much time to analyze it, about 1.5 hours, because the bubble only did 2 orbits before fading away, meaning it was either destroyed by the black hole or it simply stopped emitting light and wavelengths ALMA could observe. Researchers argued that the bubble was not tiny, because a tiny bubble would not disappear that quickly, as it would experience less shear force as it traveled around the black hole, meaning it would live longer. This occurrence will help us learn more about the dynamic environment of supermassive black holes and how they devour material around them. Sagittarius A star is one of the very few black holes in the universe where we can easily witness the flow of matter nearby. Other such black holes are extremely far away from us. What's interesting is that some of the observations were done shortly after a burst or flare of X-ray energy was emitted from our galactic center, and this burst was detected by NASA's Chandra Space Telescope. Typically, scientists associate these types of flares with what they call hotspots, hot gas bubbles that orbit very fast and near the black hole. The phenomenon is thought to happen when there is such a strong magnetic field at the mouth of a black hole that it stops material from being sucked inside. But the matter keeps piling up, building up to a flux eruption, which snaps the magnetic fields and causes a burst of energy, said lead author Maciek Wilgus, an astronomer at the Max Planck Institute for Radio Astronomy in Germany. As a bonus, did you know that the Sagittarius A star is one of the most powerless supermassive black holes in the known universe? That's because it only shines with the power of about 100 suns. For comparison, other active black holes or quasars are thousands of billions of times brighter than the Sun. But maybe it wouldn't be so good for us if we lived near such an energetic black hole. Don't forget to watch the video on the right and subscribe. Thanks for being part of Cosmoknowledge.